area. This is like the living, like kitchen area. It's 1040 square feet. This is really nice. It's just really open and like inviting. You have a gas stove, which is super rare in downtown.
This is a very unique setup.
Yeah. And we have a washer dryer right here. And just a lot of space. This right here, you kind of have like a little coming, I don't know, I'd probably put like wine cooler there.
Yeah, like a little bar maybe, yeah.
Yeah, and this is nice to have kind of separate.
Full bag, so that's
Yeah,
good.
so if you have guests coming, you know, like you're all like getting ready for brunch on Sunday.
Right.
And then some of you go to the
Like
bathroom and take a shower.
Right.
And do their hair at the same time. Yeah, we're facing Hill Street this way. But you have a bunch of space right here. Like you could totally use this to like a little seating, like, or more closet.
Oh yeah, totally.
Yeah.
This is large.
And the ceilings are a little bit higher than like the historic building, so you get a little bit higher ceilings than normal.
Mm-hmm.
So just a little
This
better.
is nice. This little area is very open.
Very, very open, yeah.
Yeah, I like that. I like that this is kind of separate.
Yeah,
That's cool.
that's what you do. I think, was I telling you, I know I was on the phone with you, but I can't remember if I was telling you how like literally every single unit is so different. I was like, you have to just see the unit.
See each
Yeah.
one, right?
I think
Yeah,
that's
because this
funny,
is very unique.
Yeah.
The setup. And how many square feet is this?
1040, so a little over 1,000.
Okay, and then how much is? Okay, this is second apartment. Each. Kitchen area. Great size living room. Great size living room. Have a balcony that opens. Here, that's the pool access area. I guess this is like a little dog park area. Lounge, barbecue pit area. Man, this is tough. This is really hard. It's a good problem to have though. And then you come in here. And then we have storage. In here. And on this side, the washer and dryer. A brand new one, washer and dryer. Okay. And here, there's some more storage. Nice. Very nice vintage. Kitchen area. And we move into the bedroom. Bedroom is kind of small. Windows open halfway. The view is okay. I mean, I have a good view of the sky. And then this closet is nice. I like this closet. Rose credit carpet. Very pretty. Very, very, very pretty. Same apartment, it's just facing a different end. So when you walk in, this is how it is. Kitchen. This one has a much better view. I can see the Hollywood sign from here. second thought, it would be the same layout, just a better view. The same layout. And this might be an option. Lots of cabinet space. This one, the only one that it doesn't have the bathtub. I don't like too much. I love this hallway, this closet area. Washer and dryer. Closet space. This is actually designed very well. More closet space. More closet space.
They make like 2 twin long rooms. That's your bedroom. This is your living room and everything else. It's very bad.
Bedroom.
You have a pantry.
And then out the right by the pool. This space is huge. Smaller living room, but I can deal. That's where the TV would go, and then come outside to the balcony. The balcony is a little bit smaller, but my plants can still go out here. Okay. And this is where we are with this. It's good if I want to get a pet, because I can put the pet box outside, the litter box outside. Door with the key is 5. Bathroom. Closet space. Washer and dryer. Only thing about this is it does not have a bathtub, but that is gonna drive me insane. Like, why? When you're tired and you want to take a bath and I can't, I'm gonna be mad. Anyway. Then we have the walk-in closet. That's literally a walk-in closet. So huge. And the bedroom, which is a little bit bigger than the other one. How this one looks. I like this one a lot. It's huge. So first of all, the door that opens is a whole freaking closet. A whole walk-in closet on the side. And then you walk into the living room, which is way more spacious. Then we walk into the side with the kitchen. And the living room with the balcony. The view is a cool little view. Okay. And then the room is huge. It's so much space to just decorate. Bathroom has a bathtub in here. And then the room is freaking huge. And this is a decent sized room. Like this. I love this. I love this. Windows. I absolutely love this. It's so much space. Like, I got all this over here. Yeah, I absolutely love this. This is the second one, and I did not think I was gonna like this one. Now, okay, mind you, kitchen is very small. Kitchen's whatever. Living room is a decent size. It's smaller, But living room is a decent size. You have this full, again, a whole walk-in closet over here. They use this space very well. So that's that. The living room. Then you walk back here. This, I don't even know what this is technically. Like this little corner space. I don't know. This could maybe be like a reading nook or something. And then it goes into the bathroom. Full bathtub. You come into the bedroom. This is really cute and different. Like, super cute. Half a closet. One little space. I love that the windows are not regular windows. They're like, keep the sun out. I have a great view. Watch some bomb sunsets. And then open. You have a little balcony. So cute. Okay. Cute. Really like this. Like a lot. Bed would have to go that way. This one is right by Beverly Center. I love this one. The living room is a cool little size. And you come back around. Little dining area is a nice decent size. Cool ceiling fan. Kitchen area is cool. Better stove. I like the stove a lot better. Brand new refrigerator. View. Literally right across from the Beverly Center. I can see it. Lots of cabinet space. Lots of cabinet space. And into here. Areas for cabinet space. And the room is a decent size. It's cute. The room is definitely a decent size. I like this a lot. A decent size and good lighting. Archway walkway. Lots more space. And the bathroom. This little shower here. Open a little window. Decent. Looks like brand new tub and tile.